Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. How have you been trading this week? How did I trade this week? Alright, okay, so this week, these are all my results, alright, my performance. Like to show all of you here, alright, how did I do it, alright? Okay, so same thing, I would like to share with all of you here, how did I achieve the result behind me, alright? Okay, so right here with all these currency pairs as you can see, and also from here with the results that I have, yeah, that's right. So how did I do that? First thing first, of course, I would like to invite you to come into my YouTube channel during my live session of Forex Trading Plan. You see, Forex Trading Plan, in this 2022 Forex Trading Plan, in this session, every day I will plan out how am I supposed to trade for the day. I will target certain currency pairs so that I will not fall out of my trading plan and searching all over the place for a currency pair to trade to take a profit for the day. Alright, so that's it. So I would like to tell you, alright, during the whole week, in the past, when I was trading, you know what happened to me? The word called FOMO, alright? FOMO over here, F-O-M-O. What does FOMO stand for? Alright, okay, FOMO stands for fear of missing out. Fear of missing out. So you see, as we are so worried about missing out opportunity to enter for a trade, usually we make a lot of mistakes when we are having a FOMO. So let's see, when there are times when we actually can see the trend is a bearish trend, correct? It's a bearish trend that actually we can go for a selling. That's right. When we can go for a selling, all right, how did we trade? When we are having a FOMO and yet we know it's a bearish trend, we are supposed to sell. But in the end, the trade go against us and we cut the trade. And after that, it continued to fall to our TP price. And then you will feel so lousy. Why should I have cut the trade so early? Am I right? Okay, that's one thing. Because we do not understand at that point of time, like me, I didn't understand that Forex trading, the chart will not go straight down in a straight line, correct? It will go up and down, up and down, up and down. But the thing is that when I'm having a FOMO, I wouldn't want to miss any trade, any opportunity to enter a trade in a bearish market to sell. So I just enter a trade hoping that it will come to my TP price. But who knows, when I enter a trade, it comes to a point, it is a support and hits on the support, and that's the point where it starts to retrace upwards for a little bit, then it continues to go down. But when I enter the price where it started to retrace, I get a lot of stress, I get stressed out, and I really don't know what to do. Am I right? Okay, so that is something I say FOMO will cause me to go out of my trading plan. So you see, FOMO, there's a lot of situation that FOMO will actually comes in, and a lot of time we allow FOMO to swim into us and we make a lot of mistakes. That's one of the example. Another example is a very clear-cut example. I believe all of us and many of us actually have made this mistake before. Example, one big candle fall. Wow, one big candle fall. Such a long candle and it fall. Oh my God, I wouldn't want to miss this chance. And I enter a trade. Who knows, when I enter a trade, the candle retracted. Am I right? The candle retracted. Oh my God, what have I done? Am I right? I believe you have the same feeling and experience like me, okay? So another case is that many retail traders out there, actually they are not full-time, okay? Including, like example, if I'm not a full-time trader, I have to work. At the same time, I want to become a full-time trader to fulfill my dream. So, you see, during the working time, early in the morning when I wake up, the first thing what we do? We take out our phone, but we didn't go to any social media platform, but we go to MT4 platform. Am I right? As we go to MT4 platform at that moment, we will be thinking, I wouldn't want to miss out any chance, okay? While on the other hand, I want my money to work very hard for me. So while I'm working, my money is working hard for me as well. So I earn double, okay? Do you have the kind of thoughts? So the next thing that swim into you is that I wouldn't want to miss a chance. FOMO comes in, alright? FOMO comes in. It's so scary, correct? So the next thing, what we are going to do, we're going to enter a few trades with our mobile phone and just wait for TP, taking profit. Am I right? Oh, yeah, that is one of the case that when we are not a full-time trader, we do such action, and that is caused by FOMO. Because we are fear of missing out of any opportunity that can make money for the day. Well, you see, FOMO has so much impact when I was a beginner. So after that, how did I actually get over this FOMO? Alright, so for the first thing, first case study, as I just mentioned earlier on, when it's a bearish trend, okay, it's a bearish trend, then if it's a bearish trend, it started to short, it started to sell down, let it sell down, correct? One big candle come down, let it come down, okay? Always hold the correct mindset, correct concept for yourself, for myself at that time. When I want to sell, I always want to sell at the resistance, the highest point, okay? When I want to get the TP, I always want to get near to the support. Before it hits the support, I should get out of the trade. But when the big candle is coming down, it's near to a support where I should go and analyze, okay? Then, if it's near there, I should always tell myself, no worry, Eric, you have another wave. Let's wait for another wave to retract up and start to sell, then I will enter for a trade, okay? So you see, I will always tell myself, okay, keep calm and trade Forex, okay? So keep calm when you want to sell. The bearish market has hit down harshly, stay put. Or the more, stay put. The more it's short, the more you should stay put. The more you should be calm, okay? Alright? So always look out for a retracement and coming up with a new resistance, then you decide whether should you start to sell. Alright? Okay. So if I'm not a full-time trader and I have a work, okay, I have to manage my working hours and also my trading hours. So how? Alright? So you don't actually mix them together. Alright, I heard of this speaker who is so famous, alright, in the past, okay, he was saying, okay, when you are having your breakfast, enjoy your breakfast. When you are taking a bus ride to your work, enjoy the scenery. If you are trading, then focus on your trading. Hey Eric, it's easier said than done. But do you know something? If you don't focus on your work, you will be underperformed. And one day, you may not get a promotion or any pay raise, correct? So next thing, when you are trading, you focus on your trading, all right? So in that case, when you are trading, hey Eric, you know something? By the time I reach home and start to analyze the chart, you know, the market is going to close and the volume is dropping. I don't have a chance, you know. Well, it's okay. Just take that hour as a learning hour to build your foundation. You don't have to enter a trade whenever you sit down in front of your MT4, correct? Okay, so that is the thing. You don't do things mixing up together, especially MT4 with any other things that actually will give you a very mixed feeling and you will have a mixed analysis. In the end, you don't get a good result. Am I right? Okay, so you see, so when you are focusing, you know that you have to work. You know you only have that little time. If you have a chance to enter, enter. If you don't have a chance to enter, take it as a learning point, correct? A learning session for yourself. So once you build this habit of showering is showering, breakfast is breakfast, traveling time is traveling time, just enjoy the scenery, trading is trading hours and trading time for yourself. All right, focus. Then slowly the habit comes in. This habit will kick FOMO away. Okay, by kicking FOMO away, once again, you know what is the outcome. The outcome will be like this. You will slowly build up the very good foundation, and slowly you will have all these results, slowly building up the lot size, and you will get the result that you want. In the end, you will be a very calm and relaxed trader away from FOMO. Slowly and relax. Okay, you can do it. I believe you can do it. All right. Okay, so this week I would like to share with you about FOMO and also to tell you this week which day I'm doing out my forex trading plan. All right, and these are the results that I am creating. And today, this video here is a journal for myself in this 2022. All right, so that I know how I perform and I make sure myself also following the trading plan together with you, writing out the journal weekly so that one day if you have lost your way, you lost faith, look back all these videos, look back in your journal and you will find a way out one day. All right, so I would like to invite you, once again invite you to my 2022 Forex Trading Plan daily in my YouTube channel by clicking up the like button, subscribe and ring up the bell. Alright? Okay, so I shall see you there, and this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you in my YouTube channel. See you.